Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulwakabir Mazin. Matrix number A210141, and I will present for my poster. I will present about a carbon sequestration. My poster title is Assessment of Carbon Sequestration by Mangrove Plantation in Casamance, Senegal. For the introduction, mangrove are important coastal ecosystem that provide ecological service such as biodiversity conservation, coastal protection, and also carbon sequestration. In Casamance, Senegal, mangrove area have been declined significantly due to natural factors such as drought and also salinization, and also human activities, which is wood harvesting and also land use change. But since 2006, large-scale mangrove restoration program have been implemented, but the carbon sequestration has not fully evaluated. So in this paper, does have two objectives, which is firstly to quantify the biomass and also carbon sequestration potential of star mangrove plantation in Casamance, Senegal. Secondly, is to develop regression model for estimating carbon stock using three growth parameters. For the methodology, three places have been chosen in Océan Department, Casamance, Senegal, which is at Akar, Mlop, and also Diambering. For the sampling, 24 mangrove plantation, around 7 to 10 years old, across 8 villages have been chosen. So, for the field measurement, along the Transat, 240 plots have been established, which one plot is size around 2.5 by 2.5 meter. The data collected, which is the species composition, tree height, stem diameter, crown cover, biomass, which is the leaves, stems, and also the root, and plantation density. After that, the dry biomass was converted to carbon stock using the IPCC conversion factor. After that, the analysis, which is the analysis used, which is ANOVA, and also regression analysis relating carbon stock to tree height and also diameter. For the result, the dominant mangrove plantation at all these places is Reservoir mangrove, which are showing the highest canopy cover at 16%, and the overall carbon stock in the plantation was 1.046 ton carbon per hectare. Then the total dry biomass was estimated at according term at 0.331 ton per hectare, leaf at 0.828 ton per hectare, and also the largest proportion of the total biomass, which is at root, at 1.066 ton per hectare. After that, the estimate carbon sequestration across three places are have the highest amount, which is at 0.921 ton carbon per hectare, followed by Mlop at 0.086 ton carbon per hectare, and at Diambering at 0.038 ton carbon per hectare. For the regression analysis, a strong positive relationship was observed between tree growth and carbon sequestration. To discuss, the presence of reservoir mangrove reflect the historical restoration, which the restoration design which utilizing the single genus. The reservoir mangrove was chosen because it's grow easily for generation. For the root allocation, the carbon sequestration is largest at the root, which is at 0.501 ton carbon per hectare. This allocation stem from the heavy silt root lignification required for tree anchoring and stability in unstable mud flat. Then the aqueous superior performer, which is 0.921 ton carbon per hectare over the other side, emphasizing the soil attribute, which is muddy soil and tidal channel, dramatically govern that the carbon storing efficiency. Then the model accuracy, the plant height proved that highly accurate, which accessible field metric explaining that 81% of the total carbon variance in 7 to 10 years old growing plantation. To conclude, restored mangrove plantation in Casaman demonstrate that significant carbon sequestration capacity, which mangrove restoration, which effective strategy for ecosystem to recover a climate change mitigation in Senegal. But further studies should assess larger plantation area and investigate soil factor influencing carbon storage and also plantation success. That's all from me. Thank you.